Hello, Dawn here from Dawn's Inspirations. Just had to share this project with you. It's a new online workshop I've been working on. Sorry it's a little bit late, I know we're in January, but this is my yearbook for 2018. It's a good substantial book with holds lots of pictures, a minimum of 12 per month, and you've got 12 months, so you're going to get masses of photographs in this book. It is a cracking mini album. Total measurements are 9 inches by 9 inches on the cover, and the spine itself, if I just bring my ruler in here to show you, is 4 inches wide. Okay, so it's a good substantial book. I just absolutely love it. Okay, I've used the Time to Flourish paper collection for this, so let me take you inside to have a look. Each month I've done the layout pages the same, just to keep things simple and to make the project move along a lot quicker. So I've got chipboard fastening here to open up our flap, lots of spaces for photographs here, and then this opens up on magnets. So we've got that lovely sound of the magnets. I do love that sound. This opens up with your magnets, more photographs here. This pulls out with your month calendar on it, but of course you've got masses of spaces for photographs on both sides. The great thing about it is because the size of the photo mats, you can have them landscape like I've got here, or you can turn them portrait. The choice is yours depending on the type of photographs that you take. So this just slides in really easily. So you've got a nice big back pocket on here, so you could always add any extra memorabilia or anything you want to in there. There's a little pocket at the front here with another 2 photo mats as well, and I haven't stuck down the embellishments, so you can slide your photographs underneath there, so they just pop in there nicely. So as I say, each month is the same design layout, so it just keeps things really simple. And by doing that, you've got your brad with your chipboard here. When we close the album, by having the brad with the chipboard here, you're not going to get 2 lots of chipboard and brads together, so it closes nicely. Okay, and then as we go through, each month is just done. The beautiful colours of the Time to Flourish collection. I just love this collection. Even on here with this one, I didn't stick the whole thing down because I've used the cardboard cutter parts. I've kept this as a little pocket just to slide one of those cutter parts in there, so you can just personalise it that little bit more if you wish. Now, you know, with my online workshops, once you purchase them, you've got them. You can watch them time and time again and make as many as you wish. The choice is yours. Think about your paper collections. This could be a baby book. This could be a child's first year documented month by month, each month. What a great gift to give a young couple who have just had a child. What a great grandmother's gift to document, you know, a grandchild's life. So with using a baby collection, this could be a baby yearbook, just changing it again. This could be the first year of a married couple life, again change the paper collection. You could turn this into a 3-page mini. So you've got double-sided pages, so you've got 6 lots of pages, but 3 lots of pages, so you could have a 3-page album. You could have a 4-page album. So this is where the project can now be turned into what you want it to be. All you've got to do is remember, if you do use less pages, is just adjust the measurement of your spine itself. Okay, so just adjust that measurement, the rest you keep the same. So just by changing the paper collection in here, you can make this book into anything you like. So it could start off, it could be your yearbook for 2018. Then you could make another one and it could be a wedding album, it could be a baby book, it could be any type of book you wish. This is just a great way to do a layout, get lots of photographs in your project on your pages. It's just a great album, quick and easy to put together. I thoroughly enjoyed making it and just had to share it with you all. And I know if you join me on the online workshop, you're going to join and love doing it too. With my online workshops, if you haven't done one before, you get step-by-step videos All the videos are broken down into smaller stages, so you don't have to watch it. Forward me on, find the space you left me at. They're all separate videos you can watch and make this project at a pace that suits you. That's the main thing. A beginner could do this album, a seasoned crafter could do this album. Anybody can join in with this because you get step-by-step tutorials in video form. When you watch them, my right hand is your right hand, my left hand is your left hand. You're not going to see me, you're just going to see my hands. Also, you'll get a print-off PDF with all the measurements as well. You'll get your supply list. You'll get your tools you're going to need. So you can gather everything you want before you start the project. You can do this in a time that suits you, at a pace that suits you. That's the great thing about doing these online workshops at home. If not, why not join in? Get a friend to join you. 2 of you do it together. What a great way to spend a crafty afternoon every week just till you finish the project. It's just stunning. Just really great way of crafting together. So if you can't get to a craft club, get a friend to join in and craft at home. So I'm Dawn from Dawn's Inspirations. This is the new online workshop. This is my yearbook. I'm doing it for 2018, but you can do it for any year you like. And the great thing about these projects is they don't date. And the only thing that's going to stop you thinking of other ways to use this book is your imagination. So I'm Dawn from Dawn's Inspirations. I hope to see you at the online workshop. Bye for now.